with Bentley's Real Estate. Welcome to 171 Londonderry Road. This amazing home is located in Windham, one of the best towns New Hampshire has to offer with its top-rated school districts. Set back from the street with an in-ground saltwater pool, large fenced-in yard, two-car garage, new irrigation system, a spacious shed with electrical hookup, and so much more. With a farmhouse sink and a large granite island, this kitchen is perfect for entertaining as it flows right into a brand new 3-season sunroom. There's a lot to love about this home. If you would like to take a look inside, give me a call or shoot me a text. Thanks and have an awesome day.